They're playing basketball. We love that basketball. They're playing basketball. We love that basketball. They're playing when the game is on. Like slam dunk, take me to the break. Favorite play is the alley. I like to pick it ball, I like to get big ball. This basketball, bow wow, let's go.
Shake the checks off your Nikes. They almost had me in a suit at the draft, cause I look like a free throw and I be shooting from half. The first step like Iverson, blow past you. Usually nothing but net, but I could go blast too. When I'm in the paint, the defense so shook, they don't know if I'ma put up a slow hook or dish it for no look. See, my game consists of a whole lot of moves you would think I learned from the Harlem Globetrotters. JD gon' lead us to a ring. Fab and Bow Wow's the only players that make cheerleaders wanna sing.